Alrighty. Another devlog update. Go away. I don't like your questions. Alright, anyway. As you can see, we have Jim over. He doesn't move this way for now, but I plan on adding like a front back thing. I don't know how I'm going to implement that though. So, this is the pause button. Doesn't do much. F. Yep. And then if we talk to this guy. Hello, Jimmy. Hi, boss man. Can you talk at the gate for me? Yes, boss man. Then you go ahead and toggle the gate. Oh yeah, this is the inventory, by the way. I need to make art for it. Or if somebody wants to do that, they can. T is to talk. And then you can also collect your paquettes. And then once you have those, you can do like this. And switch them out. And then once you have all the requirements, it goes away. So, yeah, this is the game. I'll need to add some interactability for this car. The stairs are over here. Now, how do you get upstairs? And then a teleport region is over here. But it kind of just breaks the game. So, yeah. It's about all she wrote for the game right now. So, yeah.